Hi everyone, welcome to Campkins.com. This is the online video walkthrough of the 2020 Crusader Lite 29BB. A great little 30-foot bunk model fifth wheel that you can pull with most half tons. So you can see here you've got great storage underneath, beautiful fiberglass front cap, all high gel coat fiberglass on the trailer, easy to clean. And then you've got a large electric awning with an LED light strip. Generous storage underneath the what we call basement area of the trailer, and then you've also got plug-ins in there for a TV. The back of the trailer, you can see we have an outdoor kitchen with a stainless steel fridge and a grill, and there's also some plug outlets in there as well. Let's head inside the trailer and have a look. You can see the entry stairs are nice and solid so that they don't bounce around when you go up the stairs. And we'll start off with the bedroom area. We've got a walk-around queen bed with storage all the way around it. Then there's a slide out in the bedroom, which is the closet area. So that slide out will give you extra closet space in the bedroom, and you can store all of your clothes and linens in one spot. This is also equipped with a second air conditioner to keep the temperature nice and cool at night. In the washroom area here, you can see we've got a big shower with a seat in it and a beautiful shower surround, triple glass door, shower area with a linen closet, lots of room around the toilet area, and then a large vanity and medicine cabinet area for storage. Here in the living area of the trailer, you've got a pull-out couch, and it's not a jackknife, it's actually a full-on pull-out bed inside the couch area. You've got a nice little hutch area here with plugs, and it's equipped to have your coffee maker and your toaster. You've got some drawers and some great storage in here. Then in the dinette, you've got storage underneath both dinette seats, which is accessible by those cabinet doors. Large, generous windows in that area. And then we'll go around to this side of the main living area. You've got a kitchen with an undermount sink, and it's stainless steel. You've got the Furrion Chef Collection cooking area, and then lots of counter space and lots of cabinets for storage for all your food. Fridge is right beside you there. It's equipped with a gas electric fridge. And then the entertainment area, which is directly across from the couch, has a nice large window in it. You've got your full surround sound stereo system, and then good sized cabinets as well underneath for storage. Back in the bunk area of the trailer, you're going to see two double over double bunks with storage underneath. They've got a little spot in there for a TV, and then a generous storage cabinet as well, and lots of windows to make that room feel nice and big for whoever is sleeping in that area. So folks, this is a great small bunk model fifth wheel. It's called the 2020 Crusader Lite, available now at Campkins. We say it's worth the hurdle to Myrtle. Where's that, you ask? Well, it's just north of Whitby on Highway 12. So why don't you come on out and help us help you make your RV dreams come true.